Setting the alarm on the Spitalfields 2 is quick and easy. Just follow these steps, and you'll be ready in no time. First, press either the Alarm 1 or Alarm 2 button to access the setup menu. Set the alarm time. Use the dial to choose your time, then press Enter to confirm. Now, set the duration. This is how long the alarm will sound. Once you've chosen, press Enter. Select your alarm source, whether it's a buzzer or your favorite radio station. When you're happy, press Enter. Choose when you want the alarm to be active: once, daily, weekends, or weekdays. Once set, press Enter. Set your preferred alarm volume. Adjust it using the dial, then press Enter. Finally, switch the alarm to on, and press Enter. Alarm saved will appear on the screen, and that's it. Your Spitalfields 2 alarm is now set and ready to use.